Imagine harnessing the power of your own body to achieve peak fitness. Your body is your gym. No equipment, no problem. With bodyweight training, you can exercise anywhere, anytime. Parks, beaches, even your living room can become your personal fitness space. Bodyweight training unlocks incredible strength. It's convenient and effective. Whether you're doing lunges, planks, or calisthenics, every movement counts. Push your limits, transform your body, feel the burn with every rep, and watch as you grow stronger and more resilient. Bodyweight exercises build functional strength, real-life movements, real results. These exercises mimic everyday activities, making you more capable in your daily life. From everyday tasks to athletic performance, feel the difference. Unlock your potential. Whether you're climbing, running, or jumping, bodyweight training prepares you for it all. No gym memberships, no excuses. Train anywhere, anytime. The world is your gym, and every place offers a new opportunity to challenge yourself. Embrace the freedom of bodyweight training. Share the journey with friends or enjoy the solitude of a solo workout. Are you ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's begin. Start your journey today and discover the power within you. Handstand push-ups, the ultimate test of upper body strength. They target your shoulders, triceps, and core. Build impressive strength and definition. This exercise improves shoulder stability and mobility, reduce risk of injury, enhance athletic performance. Experience the power of strong, healthy shoulders. Handstand push-ups are a challenging but rewarding exercise. They require dedication and practice, but the results are worth the effort. Ready to conquer the king of shoulder exercises? Let's get started. Mastering the handstand push-up, a step-by-step guide. Start with the basics. Begin by understanding the fundamental movements and building a solid foundation. This will ensure you progress safely and effectively. Master pike push-ups and wall walks. These exercises are crucial for developing the shoulder strength and stability needed for handstand push-ups. Focus on maintaining proper form and gradually increasing your repetitions. Build strength and confidence before attempting a full handstand push-up. Find a wall. Using a wall for support can help you get comfortable with being upside down and improve your balance. Practice kicking up into a handstand. This movement is essential for transitioning into the handstand position. Start with small kicks and gradually increase your height as you gain confidence. Hold for as long as you can, building stability and balance. Focus on engaging your core and keeping your body straight. This will help you maintain control and prevent falls. Gradually lower yourself down, using controlled movements. This eccentric phase is crucial for building strength and muscle endurance. Take your time and focus on smooth, controlled descents. Push back up with explosive power. This concentric phase requires a lot of strength and coordination. Practice regularly to improve your power and technique. Aim for full range of motion. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice will help you build the strength and skill needed to perform handstand push-ups with ease. Practice regularly, and you'll see amazing progress. Track your workouts and celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. A coach or experienced friend can provide valuable feedback and support, helping you achieve your goals faster. Section 4. Beyond the handstand. Supercharging your shoulders. Elevate your shoulder training. Explore other bodyweight exercises. Pike push-ups, handstand wall walks, and dips are great options. Target different muscle groups. Incorporate variations and progressions. Challenge yourself and keep your workouts exciting. Remember, proper form is crucial. Focus on quality over quantity. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. By incorporating a variety of exercises, you'll build well-rounded shoulder strength and prevent plateaus. Section 5. Your journey to strength starts now. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The beginning of a new chapter in your life where you take control of your fitness journey and push your limits. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Embrace the process and let your passion for fitness drive you forward. Every step you take, every drop of sweat, brings you closer to your goals. Find your passion for fitness, and the results will follow. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your enthusiasm. Together, you can achieve more than you ever thought possible. Your journey starts with a single step. Commit to yourself, challenge yourself, celebrate your progress. Remember, every small victory is a step towards a larger goal. Bodyweight training empowers you to take control of your fitness. No excuses, only results. With dedication and consistency, you can transform your body and mind. Join the movement, transform your life. Be part of a community that supports and motivates each other. Together, we can reach new heights. What bodyweight exercises do you want to master next? The possibilities are endless. From push-ups to pull-ups, squats to lunges, each exercise brings you closer to your fitness goals. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others. Let's create a community of encouragement and support. Let's inspire each other to achieve greatness. Together we can overcome any obstacle and reach our full potential. Your journey to